See a few rain showers developing overnight last night. Now those have since pushed their way farther off towards our north and east. We're tracking drier conditions out there. But since we did see some rain late last night, those roads could still be a bit damp. Otherwise, we're tracking more rain that's down towards our south and west. That low situated in the southernmost parts of Illinois and Indiana, that will continue to slide its way closer towards our area, bringing with it more rain as we get towards later on tonight. Temperatures out there right now starting off upper 30s to low 40s, 41 right now in the district and Frederick, upper 30s down towards Fredericksburg, low to mid 30s out towards the I-81 corridor, even close to 40 right now in Hagerstown. But we're running right around 10, even close to 20 degrees warmer than we were yesterday morning at this time. So noticeably a bit warmer out there this morning, and we will continue to notice those temperatures above normal as we look ahead towards later on this afternoon. Visibility has been reduced, and we're seeing very low visibility in Fredericksburg, less than a quarter of a mile there. We're down to about 2 miles in Culpeper, 1 in Woodstock, 2 Winchester, 5 in Hagerstown. Now 9 miles of visibility in D.C. So for the kids at the bus stop this morning, just be mindful that we are seeing some areas of patchy dense fog. Temperatures right around 40. We'll see those cloudy conditions persisting. Those clouds will be sticking around through the day today. High temperatures eventually warming back up, low to mid 50s for much of the region, aside from farther off towards the north and west, likely seeing those highs into the 40s this afternoon. So here's a view of those high temperatures today. Again, as I mentioned, mid upper 40s farther off towards the north and west, right to the low to mid 50s closer towards D.C. in areas south and east. But let's talk about the timing of some of these rain showers. The bulk of it will be later on tonight. However, out ahead of it, came out that chance for a pop-up shower here and there. So notice by 3 p.m. a few splotches of green popping up, but the main course, what we're going to be tracking later on this evening, is out ahead of the cold front. That cold front will swing through. So we're looking at about, say, 6 p.m. off towards the north and west, mainly north and west of I-81. By about 8 p.m., turning much more scattered across the region and closer towards the D.C. metro area. By 11 p.m., much more widespread. And notice that we do see some yellows, oranges, and reds popping up on Futurecast. That does indicate some steady to heavy rainfall as that swings through. Cold front finally moves out. Could be seeing some gusty winds also associated with this front as it moves through. Looking ahead towards 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, a few lingering showers are possible. And as colder air moves in behind that front, could see a few snow showers back out towards parts of western Maryland, those higher elevations. But by about 2 p.m. tomorrow afternoon, we're looking at a gradual clearing of those skies. So we'll see the return of that sunshine, high temperatures right near 50. However, we'll see a cold wind out of the northwest. So something to keep in mind as we look ahead towards tomorrow afternoon. By tomorrow evening, it's going to be a cold one out there Friday night. Temperatures falling back into the upper 20s to low 30s. And then as we look ahead towards your weekend, Saturday and Sunday, much more seasonable. We're looking at some snowflakes out towards the mountains region on Saturday. Sunday, we should be drier with clear skies. High temperatures mid upper 40s. Right around 50 on Monday. Then we're going to continue to track a gradual warmth through the middle of the week, mid upper 50s by next Wednesday. Shanika's here with a look.